Okay, this is take two because for some reason it didn't work the first time I did it. I sure hope it works this time. Um, we're going to start out with a quiz. Okay, and we'll do this relatively frequently. It allows you to get more involved. It allows you to share more ideas as we go forward, and it kind of guarantees that you're going to do the readings and pay attention in class. Okay, so that's what we want. And pop quizzes are pretty common in the college setting. So um, hopefully as I'm talking about this, you're getting on a sheet of paper. So let's roll. Question. Well, first of all, put your name on the paper. Okay, and that shouldn't take you too long. Okay. So question one on your quiz today is, what is irony? What does irony mean? Okay. So write down the answer for what does irony mean. Okay, question two and three. Last week, Thursday, I wrote on the board three different kinds of irony. For question two, name one of those three kinds of irony that I wrote on the board. And for question three, name another of those three kinds of irony. So question two and three are for you to be putting down two of the three kinds of irony that I talked about in class last week. I'm not asking you for definitions of them. I just want you to name them, okay? Question four is, what is so ironic about the servant asking the master if he can borrow his horse? Okay. What is so ironic about the servant asking the master if he can borrow his horse? Question five. What do you think Mrs. Mallard meant when, while she's looking out the window, she says, free, free? Okay. What do you think Mrs. Mallard meant when, as she was looking out the window, she said, free, free? Question 6. What killed Mrs. Mallard? Question 6 is what killed Mrs. Mallard? In your opinion. Question 7. What is the biggest irony you find in the story of an hour? What is the biggest irony you find in the story of an hour? Okay, so pass your papers over to the aisle.